Welcome to the Research Rundown. If you're dealing with metastatic cancer, this is really worth something looking into. Dominic D'Agostino, one of the lead researchers here in the study, presented on combining ketogenic diet with hyperbaric oxygen with this systemic metastatic cancer spreading throughout small animal. So basically research is done, they start with mice. And so this was done with mice. And so Dominic explained how metastatic cancer really exists in his mice subjects. And that he essentially created an environment where the cancer was spreading on its own. Dominic pointed out that 95% of cancer research was done by planting tumors or doing something in that realm. Where his study was essentially he was able to create an environment where the cancer was actually just spreading on its own. And so this metastatic cancer research pointed out that his control group of mice essentially had no therapy, and they did not have a long-term survival rate. Then there was a group of mice that were put on a very heavy ketogenic diet, and the cancer did reduce. And so it spread, and its presence in the mice was less. And then there was a third one where he did hyperbaric oxygen, and in fact the mice improved also as well. There was less cancer. And then when he combined the two of them together, the cancer was almost non-existent. You can see that in a picture. And the picture is in the study, and we'll post it here with this discussion. So this study goes back to 2013. And what would be great is if there were thousands of studies at this point in time because of what this represented. Now I know it's in mice, but that's how all research generally starts with small animal, large animal, before they go to human studies. And so this is really worth looking into, and I know a number of people that have actually applied this to themselves that were dealing with some severe cancers that are cancer-free. So I think it's a piece of the puzzle. Even someone going through chemotherapy will find benefit in applying those two. And so there's really just one study I'm aware of that does do that, where the chemotherapy is combined with the two. But in this study, they didn't use the chemotherapy, and it was a great result. So it's worth looking into. I would stay abreast of any of the research that's being done when it includes fasting, hyperbaric oxygen, with any type of metastatic cancer that might be spreading. So hopefully that's helpful. We will list the research below this little brief, and I hope you look into it. Thank you.